Hello students, this is part 5th of friction. Methods of increasing friction. In the previous class or section, we have seen that friction is desirable in some situations. Have you ever thought that why the soles of your shoes is grooved? It is done to provide the shoes better grip on the floor so that you can move safely. Similarly, the threaded tire of car, trucks and bulldozers provide better grip with the ground. We increase friction by using brake pad in the brake system of vehicles and automobiles. When we are riding a bicycle, the brake pad do not touch the wheels, but when we press the brake lever, pads arrest the motion of the rim due to friction. The wheel stops moving. So, these are the methods of increasing friction. First one is making treads and grooves on the tires of the vehicles which improve their grip on the roads and help us to avoid skidding or slipping. It means that treads increase the roughness for better grip. Second one is making spikes, cleats, piece of metal or rubber on a sports shoes for better grip on the ground. Using coarse substances like chalk powder, soil on their hands by a sportsman or a sports person for having a better grip on their opponent. In the game of kabaddi player rub their hand with soil for having a better grip on their opponent. Now, we will discuss the method of reducing friction. If the roughness of the surface increases, there is a wastage of energy. In very many situations, friction is undesirable and we would want to minimize it. Following are the some common ways used to reduce friction. These are by polishing. When we polish a surface, its roughness decreases. The surface becomes smooth and friction get reduced. So, we rub the surface with a sandpaper to reduce its unevenness. Reduce the friction on wood by rubbing sandpaper. Second is by lubrication. What do you mean by lubricant? Oil-like substances that are used in the moving parts to reduce the friction. We all know that when few drops of oil are poured on the hinge of the door, hinge means कब्जा बोलते हैं हिंदी में, the door moves much more smoothly. Bicycle and motor machines use grease between the moving parts, hubs of the wheel. In all these cases, we want to reduce the friction, which increases the efficiency of the vehicles. There are three types of lubricant: liquid like oils, semi-liquids like grease, and solids like talcum powder. When we apply lubricant between the moving parts of a machine, a thin layer of lubricant is formed between the two surfaces. As the surface becomes smooth, friction decreases. Interlocking of irregularities between the chain surface reduces the friction and movement becomes smooth, which help to increase the efficiency of machine. In the game of, another example, in the game of carom board, we all play carom board in our house. It is a indoor game. We often sprinkle talcum powder on the carom board. By sprinkling talcum powder, the friction between the striker and the board is very much reduced, and the striker moves smoothly on the board. In some machines, oil is used as a lubricant. Hovercraft is a device which has a air cushion. Hovercraft is a vehicle which can travel on both land and water without much friction. It moves on a cushion of air provided by powerful pumps. Compressed and purified air can also act as a lubricant. It provides an elastic cushion between the moving parts to reduce the friction. Third one is ball bearing. Ball bearing. We know that rolling friction is smaller than sliding friction. Sliding can be replaced by rolling. We use ball bearing in shaft of the motors, dynamos, axles of the axles of the vehicles. It is used in shaft of motors, dynamo, axles of vehicles, and so on. Thank you. Have a nice day.